see your face go by, you don't even wave. Is it me? Is it you? Tell me, baby, what to do. Call me out if you don't really mean it. Call me out, I just wanna feel needed. Call me out, go on now, do it. Call me out before I lose it. Is that my name you said? Lost in the crowd. Is it me? Is it you? Tell me, baby, what to do.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Atlabs. I am Mohini, and I think everyone loves music, right? But what if you can create your own lyrics, your own sound, your own genre, even your own music video? And the best part is you can make one for anyone, your girlfriend, your kids, your parents, a gift that's personal, creative, and honestly pretty wow. So let's dive in. Here's to how you can create a fully AI powered music video from lyrics to lights and visuals to vibes. So let's get started. All right, so our first step is to actually have a music. So for that, I'm using Sono AI music. What I'll do is I'll enter the kind of style that I want for the music, which is like I want more like pop punk, power pop, and sound should be crunchy electronic guitars. And then there's this vibe which is playful, rebellious, confident, and flirtatious. And for the lyrics, I think I had some basic lyrics generated using ChatGPT, and this is the kind of music I want. And let's just click on create. So we'll have our base music ready. It's called Call Me Out, and it has kind of
When
Avril
you left
Paramore
me, I
vibes.
was broke,
So
good
let's now
times
start
rolled, and
creating the
now
video for the music. And I'm here on Atlabs. So what we'll do is I think we'll choose the workflow, which is audio to video. Just select that and upload your music audio that you just generated. Our music has been uploaded. Just click on next, and it is uploading. The second step would be to select the language. So let's wait for this to show up. So basically we have 4 steps. Now we have the second step. The
staring out the
audio is here. You can select, you can play and just listen to the audio. You now select the language. I'll select automatic for now and just click on transcribe. And then we'll move on to the step 3, which is set style. All right, so our entire audio has been transcribed. Now just click on the step 3 and select next. All right, so this is our step 3 where we have to choose the aspect ratio. Let's click 16:9 AI video realistic and just click on next. In case you want to alter any of these, you can easily just select whatever style or aspect ratio you want. So just click on next, which is our final step about finalizing the character or the cast. And here are 2 cars, which is Alex Johnson's and Taylor Smith. So I think I will quickly create a character for my video. So for that, let's generate images using Nano Banana from the mini app on Atlabs. So to create your character, what you can do is just select on create images, and you can write the prompt, use Nano Banana to create the kind of character you want. And then I'll show you how you can maintain this consistency in the workflow. All right, so for my character, I wanted this kind of a woman who was a fierce female rock singer, basically has a sparkling red microphone, has long black wavy hair with, I think I'll use purple dye tips, bold smoky eye makeup, and a commanding expression. She wears a sheer black studded top. You can write the clothing here and what the basically background you want, and just click on generate using Nano Banana. And this is the character that got generated, exactly the kind of vibe I want from the female singer for this song Call Me Out. And now using the same characters reference images, I have generated multiple images so that we can use them directly on the storyboard. Or what we can also do is maybe I'll just change this to Julia and upload the character that we just generated, selected from the library. and we'll just choose this one and save. So, and for this one, let's just have this automatically generated from Atlabs and just see in case if there's any other character we want. So we have this Taylor and this is Julia. So I've directly just used this image in the workflow so that this same character once I tag the character for every scene, it remains consistent. And just click on the final step, which is generate video. So we'll wait for a video to be generated. You'll see all the updates that are happening, all the steps that are being done, creating AI image, they'll generate scenes, then everything would be updated here in the progress bar. And our storyboard is ready using the audio to video workflow. All you have to do is probably change whatever you want. This is the basic intent of the entire video using the whatever the audio is, the scenes have been generated. You can alter these, you can change the visuals, you can split these scenes, add more visuals, and it is all set for you to like use it as it is. Now, what I want to do is try something else. All right, so what I'll try is I'll try creating a more like a concert performing type of video with the same character. So I will individually generate images, about 5 to 6 images using the same character in the same kind of visual vibe and create a storyboard using that. Right, so what I've done is I have generated some of the scenes using reference image of the character that we first generated, and I created the storyboard using Nano Banana by giving one reference image, and I've made about 9 images, and I've added this in the start from scratch workflow on Atlabs. Now what we'll do is we'll add the sections we want for each of these scenes of the audio and then add motion and lip sync to it very easily. So let me show you how. So let me quickly show you a brief of one scene so that you know how the rest of the scene can work out. Just click on the scene and you'll see there's a voiceover option. Just upload the part of the music that you want to be applied on this visual. So click on upload audio. So I have added the section of the audio that I want for this scene.
Staring.
And it has been transcribed. Now, what we'll do is either you can add lip sync to this part or you can add a motion and then add a lip sync model. So, since we have OmniHuman available on Atlabs, what we'll do is we'll write a prompt here. So, what it'll do is it'll generate a motion along with the lip sync for this scene. Okay, so this is the prompt that I want here for this scene. She grips the mic tighter, singing with fierce emotion, eyes locking onto the camera, subtle flashes of pink and purple light streaks across the scene, adding movement and pulse. Now just click on apply and we'll wait for this to get generated.
Staring out the window, another rainy day.
And for this one, I think I can just add a motion here for it to be like a little casual. So what we'll do is we'll just add a quick motion here. So let me use Google Veo 3.1, and what I'll do is I will add my prompt here, which is the woman gazes intently towards her bandman with a melancholic expression, shuts her shoulder poisely, then she casually tilts her head side to side. So basically the kind of vibe I want for this motion. And before that, make sure that you upload the audio, and you can also use magic prompt in case you do not have any idea of the prompt you want to put in for the scene. Click on generate motion with audio, or if you do not want that, because we already have a voiceover, but now we have an option where you can alter the sounds of each of these. You can mute or unmute whichever music you or audio you want from the motion or the one that you uploaded, and just select the duration. So make sure that you align the duration with the length of the audio that you have. So what we'll do is our audio is 4 seconds long. So let's select 6 seconds and click on generate video.
The purple lights are flickering again.
Yeah.
Yeah, the amp is buzzing a bit too.
Similarly, you can do the same thing for the rest of the scenes. You can play around where you want the lip sync. So I've generated these in parts here. So for some scenes, I have generated specifically face focused images so that the lip sync are easier to be applied and there's consistency. Just make sure of that. And some scenes I've kept as in where there would be motion to basically give the vibe of the music video. And similarly, just apply and play around motions and lip sync. I have used OmniHuman for lip sync and motion. And for motion, I have used Google Veo 3.1.
Thank you. You're a beautiful crowd.
And that's it. You just created your own AI video with lyrics, vocals, motions, and visuals in just 2 hours. Actually, within 2 hours. So, from final edit, from ideas to final edit, powered by creativity, style, and a little AI magic. Actually, a lot of AI magic. Actually, entirely AI magic. So thanks to Atlabs. If you love this, imagine making one for your friends, family, or maybe your brand. Now, go make your world sound like you. And don't forget to like, share, and tag us when you drop your first AI hit. Thank you for watching. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Take care.